How can I make passive income? How can I begin to generate money for me where I don't have to show up to a 9-to-5 job to actually generate an income? How do I get there? What is Etsy? I'm so glad you asked. Well, Etsy is a place where you are able to create and sell different type of products. That means you are able to sell digital products as well as physical products as well as a service. And so what's pretty cool about Etsy, and I'm sorry that my words are small here, but hang on with me. Etsy is a search-based marketplace. Now, we know marketplaces, right? Like Amazon, maybe your local Walmart have an online, right, area for you to shop. And so that online space is a marketplace. A marketplace basically means I'm able to buy certain things in a large area from different sellers. And so what's pretty cool about Etsy is that Etsy is a marketplace, but catch this now, it is a search-based marketplace. This is so huge because unlike Wix or unlike Shopify, you have to bring traffic to your personal website, right? That's where you have to get an email list. You got to gain some type of following. You got to have somebody who already know about you to buy from you. What's pretty cool about Etsy, however, it is a search-based platform. That means people come into the marketplace and they look for products. And Etsy is a place where you can sell physical and digital products. That means shoppers can search for specific products and find those items based upon their search phrase, kind of like Amazon, right? You go on Amazon.com, you search up certain things you need for your house, maybe for a birthday party, and whatever comes up, that's what you purchase. Well, Amazon don't own all those products. There are hundreds, if not thousands, quite sure it's thousands by now, thousands of sellers on Amazon that's creating products that will get found in the search bar. Now, what's pretty cool about Amazon now that Etsy been for a while is that Amazon actually allow you to create digital products. But the pretty cool thing about Etsy is that Etsy been in that space a long time ago. And so you can actually create digital products that you can actually sell online. And we're going to talk about how to get started with that. So in short, Etsy platform takes care of the messaging. It takes care of the uploads. It takes care of the ads, take care of the coupons, take care of all the sales in the cart, as well as the payout to you. Unlike other platforms where you have to add extensions or add some type of variation to your website or to your Shopify account, everything is done on the platform Etsy for you to actually be a full-time digital-based business, right? For you to be a full-time digital-based business. Now, you might say, cool, thank you so much for that dialogue of what is Etsy. And you might be asking, well, why does that matter? Well, this should matter to you because of these benefits. Hang on with me because we're just talking about why you need to start on Etsy. Maybe you've been on that edge and trying to figure out, is this even a place for me to sell? My encouragement to you in today's video is, yes, it is a place to sell. Let's start moving our feet and start selling. Here's the benefits of why I believe as a beginner, you need to start selling right now on Etsy is this. You don't have to worry about paid ads from Facebook. Sorry about the K is not on there, but I think you can follow with me. You don't have to worry about Facebook ads, right? Facebook ads, learning that space, trying to figure out how to do that, get people to your personal store. You had to spend all this money. You don't have to worry about spending time learning Facebook ads. Can somebody say yay to that? Number two, you don't have to build a website. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars for your website to be built and then have a hosting where you pay monthly for you just to be in a space that's not necessarily guaranteed for you to make money. Again, the power of selling on Etsy is I don't have to build a website. Number two, three, I don't need social media followers for me to actually make sales, right? I don't need a large social media following on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I don't need a large following just to make a sale. I don't even need an email list to drive sales. If you ever saw anything online, maybe you heard about business, then the power of an email list is strong. However, as a beginner, you may not have a list. You may not have people on your list. So you need to sell in a space where people can find you organically. Getting any likes or getting any value, leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, let me know by leaving it in the chat because we're going to deal with those questions in a minute. Here's the benefit for you. You don't have to worry about paying a monthly subscription like on Shopify, like on Wix, like on any other platform you may have where you are getting hosting, because everything you need is on the platform. And here's the overall point. People are already coming to Etsy. Therefore, they are able to find you instantly. That's the point, right? People are already coming to Etsy. Therefore, they are able to find you instantly. Do you understand that you can start now on Etsy for free and list your first digital product for 20 cents. Okay, think about those who have, saved all their dollars just to rent out a space in downtown in your city, just to sell a particular good, and they opened up their store, grand opening, and didn't get a sale or a profit in their pocket until a year went by. That's a lot of money up front. Most people who watch my videos, there's a common question that comes up is, okay, how much capital do I need to start this business, right? If you're telling me I can make thousands of dollars online by doing nothing, how much capital do I need? And the answer is 20 cents, right? 20 cents can actually be your investment to start an online business. And here's the kicker. And if you follow all of my steps in my videos, this could actually become a passive income stream where you are able to make this money on autopilot. I have done that myself, and I'm not no one special. There's many people who have done that. Great YouTubers online, great YouTube Etsy coaches who would tell you the same exact thing. The point here is you want to get started. Don't allow fear to keep you from getting started. I want to give you the confidence to know the basic foundations of what Etsy is and how to sell on it, so you can take that information and just start. Now, can I guarantee you that you're going to make $5,000 by the end of the month? No, I can almost guarantee you that's not going to happen. However, can I guarantee you that if you take these steps and apply these steps I'm teaching you, you can actually list your first digital product on Etsy? The answer is yes. And when you list your first one, it will help you list your second one, your third and fourth and fifth one. And now you have digital real estate. Okay, you have digital real estate in the Etsy market where somebody can find you. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to gain free, well, I say free, but it's 20 cents digital real estate that you can actually make passive income online.